IVM.
Hello! Hi guys, how's everyone doing? I am Antariksh Thakkar, I'm your host for this episode of IVM Likes. And joining me are my co-producers at IVM, Sumit and Jalasmi. Hey Sumit, hi Jalasmi, how are you guys doing?
Hi guys.
Hello. What's up?
All good, all good. Thank you so much for being here. Today on this episode, we're going to be talking about the monsoons. Firstly, up top, do you guys like the monsoons?
Yes, very much.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's
Sumit?
good. Yeah, it's good, but not too much. Not like Mumbai rains. Like
Okay,
every,
awesome. Okay, we'll
Oh
get
no,
to that. We'll
I
get to
love
Except
Mumbai
the
rains.
sinkhole part, Mumbai rains are good. I feel.
that. The sinkhole part. Oh man, you don't want your car drowning in the sinkhole.
Oh,
that
shit,
was
dude.
In
epic.
Ghatkover. Okay, we'll get to that. We'll get to all of that. So that's coming up in the first half of this episode. And in the second half, we will give you guys some awesome recommendations to things that we have been checking out recently. So that's coming up on this episode. So stay tuned for that. See you guys on the other side.
Hey, everybody, welcome to another great week on the IVM Podcast Network. If you're not following us on social media, please do. We're IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I'd like to thank the sponsors on the network this week, Cred and Sia. Thank you so much for making this possible. We've had an amazing week on the network. Do check out The Note with Mahrukh Inayat. She speaks to Prabhat Kumar, the man leading child protection at one of India's leading NGOs, Save the Children. On The Habit Coach, Ashton was joined by Rajat Mittal Shah to talk about some superfoods in Ayurveda like turmeric and ashwagandha. On Pesa Vesa, host Anupam Gupta has a digital gold special in two parts, one with Ashraf Rizvi, founder and CEO of Digital Swiss Code, and Gilded, and one with Deepak Abbott, co-founder of India Gold. Listen to the first part of the Father's Day special of Agla Station Adulthood with Natasha and her father, Dr. Vipul Roy Rathod. You should also check out Cyrus Says' episode with Mukul Chadda. He talks about upcoming shows Sunflower and Sherni. Our Kannada podcast, Thale Artist, celebrates 100 episodes, and we had a reunion of hosts Pawan, Ganesh, and Surya who shared their favorite moments from the past. Shiva Mehta is back with the second season of Smile India. The show is available in both English and Hindi. On this episode, she talks about the conversion from bag teas to bagless ones and how we should ditch the plastic and have a great tea experience. And with that, let me get you back to your show.
All right, and we are back talking about monsoons. So yeah, we were talking about whether you guys like monsoons. I also am a huge fan of the monsoons, but so we should talk about this. So we're going to be talking about monsoons through the lens of Bollywood, how Hindi movies depict the rains and monsoons, and what feelings they generate in us. We'll also be talking about some areas where Bollywood gets it wrong, or they maybe perhaps overlook some aspects of the rains in Mumbai and in other places of India. So all that is coming up. Let's start off with my first question. As I asked you all you guys earlier, you guys like the monsoons, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, but not too much. Statutory warning.
Dude, so this is my, I always quote this. This is like a quote that I always, this is my own quote. This is Antariksh quotes. I always say that Mumbai monsoons are beautiful from afar and disgusting up close.
No,
So that's
it's more
what I always say.
like Bombay monsoons are beautiful when you're at home. When you're
Yeah.
out on the road, it's a nightmare.
Exactly what I mean. Okay, दूर से देखो तो, dude, it's beautiful. All the buildings look nice. The green looks greener. You know, if there's water, it's probably overflowing and having a good time. Yeah, there are less people on the roads in general. If you're looking at least from your windows, probably. So it's from afar, it's very good. But you go down for a minute and you are covered in kichad, which is just not fun. It's I'm sure. And that is actually one thing that Bollywood always overlooks. There is no kichad.
Yeah,
or even if there is kichad, they enjoy it. And nobody enjoys kichad, dude. Who enjoys
Nobody.
kichad? Yeah.
Only pigs enjoy kitchen.
Exactly. You're nicely done, Pip.
And
That's
also,
nice. Yeah.
there's no sinkhole scene in any Bollywood movie. Okay, people do not fall for
So,
that.
I have a question about that. Like, how not popular? How big are sinkholes in India? Like, are there many sinkhole instances? I don't think there are that many.
No, in
Most-
Bombay, I think it's believable because the entire city is like
An
built
island
on
city
water.
like that.
तो कहीं पे भी क्रैक आए you don't know नीचे land है कि पानी है.
So, are you with Sumit? Sinkhole thing? Are you talking about the recent car that drowned in Ghatkopar? Is that the one you're talking
Car,
about?
even person, like on each monsoon of Mumbai, you
Uh-huh.
tend to get the news like somebody has fallen into, or some video gets viral that
Or someone falling in a
some-
gutter though is fine, but sinkhole in general.
Sinkhole.
It's not
Yeah.
fine, but yeah, it's common.
अबे, I don't care, it's fine. गटर में गिरे तुम्हारी गलती है. Yeah.
अभी जल्दी तू
TMC की
भी गिरेगा.
गलती.
No, but so I remember when this, at least the car thing that happened just recently, like there was a video, I don't know if you guys saw,
Yeah.
that went viral of a Hyundai car. I'm forgetting which Hyundai car, but a Hyundai
Creta.
car. I don't think it was a Creta. I think it was something else.
It was SUV only, Creta.
It was an
maybe.
SUV, but no, it's one of the newer SUVs, one of the
Okay,
newer
okay.
Hyundai cars. But yeah, so basically that was literally the car started drowning and then disappeared in the water in the sinkhole. And the excuse that the BMC gave was that the locals in that area, that spot was actually a well that they had covered with a slab. And because of the rains, the slab basically dissolved. And because of that, it became a sinkhole, which basically drowned the car. Which is a great, elaborate excuse. And if it's true, fine, I'll give these guys the pass that it wasn't completely their fault that it happened. But if it's not, and they came up with that excuse, again, kudos to them, dude. What a great excuse to come up with. Very last
Yeah,
minute.
no.
Yeah, you know?
Boss
Plus-
move.
It was a well.
Plus the same rain, but a different emotion, dude.
Yeah, exactly.
Like in Bollywood, like if the rain is falling, the hero will go to heroine and say some few romantic thing.
Yeah.
And over here we're talking about Keechad. Just
Correct. Dude, also, they hate umbrellas in Bollywood, apparently.
nobody carries them.
Nobody can. Dude, just take an umbrella. You know it's gonna rain.
No,
the
but
reason you know is because it's
what
the
I
movie
think
that
is-
you have written.
What I think is in Bombay rains, umbrella, raincoat, nothing works. You will get
It's kind of true.
drenched.
That is
No
kind of
matter
true,
what.
yes, you're right.
Even if it's a
is
drizzle
there.
or it's pouring, you will get drenched. कुछ नहीं
कुछ
कर
तो
सकता.
बचाएगा, लेकिन जलस में कुछ तो बचाएगा at least.
God knows.
Hmm.
Maybe one of those umbrellas with, you have the umbrella which goes नीचे तक and then you have like a cover around. I think उसमें भी कुछ तो problem आ ही जाएगा. Bombay rains, you can't challenge. But ठीक है.
Did you guys, when you were smaller, did you guys ever wear those head umbrellas?
Yeah,
around the head?
yeah. Those were so cool, dude.
Those are damn cool, dude. Yeah. But
Because-
initially, I don't know if you have the same with you. At least the first few ones that I ever got, used to always itch my head. I just find very itchy.
Because the water used to come like between the head strap and
Huh.
and your head, na.
So exactly.
that's why you
So
you
Jalashmi is
started
right in a
feeling
way.
it.
Just right in a way, it doesn't really work then. Dude. Like, what's the point of the head umbrella if the water is coming in between the strap and my forehead? That's ridiculous.
But कितना भी कुछ भी कर लो, कहीं से तो
हाँ,
गीले हो ही जाओ.
Exactly.
Yeah, correct.
Exactly.
Dude, also that's a great, if in how have they not used it in a Bollywood movie of a kid jumping out from an aeroplane and he has an umbrella as a parachute and then that reduces his fall. How have they not used that? I just thought of it. Bollywood, if you're listening and if you copy it, I want my compensation. Anyway, so let's start off with something more fun. We all love the monsoons. What are some of the things that you like to do in the monsoons? So what I want from you guys is one of the following three things, okay? What I want is one, something you like doing in the monsoons. One, something you like listening to in the monsoons or watching also, it can be, okay? So listening to or watching. And three, something you like to eat in the monsoons.
Oh.
So something you like to do, something you like to eat, and something you like to listen to in the monsoons. So Jalasni, would like to go first?
Yes. So what I like to do is I love long rides in the monsoons.
That's
Like
beautiful, man.
windows should be closed.
Yeah. What do you? Dude,
I
this has
have
happened.
terms and
This has happened to me.
conditions.
This has happened to me. I have been driving, okay, and there are puddles. My window is open. I'm probably smoking a cigarette in the car, and my window is open, and a car comes speeding to my right and
Oh,
splashes
shit.
my entire car, and my cigarette goes off, dude. That's not cool. That's not cool, dude.
Okay,
Bombay,
I
what are
don't-
you doing?
It's not about the smoking. So I'll tell you, there are two things. One is I love long drives in the car with windows shut and some nice music playing. But there is also a part of me which loves taking auto rides, with those useless flaps down.
Yeah, correct.
But
Those,
it's just that आगे driver वाली seat में तो है नहीं वो flaps, तो
Yeah,
पानी तो
correct.
उड़ेगा, हवा तो आएगी.
Correct.
But
yeah.
if there's no traffic, those rickshaw rides are really cool. Like they're very nice, good vibes.
Yeah, agreed.
So, and Baki, of course, go to a chai tapri and just have some nice chai or something. That is the usual what I really like to do. And going to National Park, in Kaneri Caves and just sitting in the
Wow.
waterfall doing nothing. That is another
Dude, you know
level
what?
of
I have
fun.
never been to the national parks. Isn't
Oh,
that
shit,
insane?
dude.
Isn't that sad? I'm sad, dude. I feel very
Damn
bad.
You,
sad.
sh- you
Dude.
should.
Dude, you
I know, I
should
know.
go there and take a cycle over there. You get a rented cycle and then go to towards the caves. It's a good
Okay.
experience, like amazing experience in the monsoon part, basically.
Do you get to see a lot of animals at the national park?
I
Now you
have
get
I
to see.
haven't I haven't
Now you
seen.
get to see because because of the lockdown,
Huh?
there are a lot of deer and peacocks just
Oh, that started coming
roaming.
back because of less
Yeah.
human intervention.
So if you go for a walk now, I mean,
Hmm.
my dad goes for a walk at National Park every morning, so he gets to spot a lot of these deer and there are peacocks and all of those. But
So-
God
so I
forbid
don't
you
know
ever
enough.
spot a lion. I mean, tiger. But
Yeah, that's
ठीक है.
what. So aren't there like predators in the national park, like leopards and all? I'm sure there are quite a few, no?
They are, but
Keep
रात
hearing
को
about
आते हैं. So 5:30 के बाद National Park is closed to people. So maybe
okay.
they go at night. Plus, I mean, as far as I remember, they have a closed boundary. So beyond that boundary is we are allowed to go. So I think there is some safety measures put in place. ऐसे तो कोई आएगा नहीं, but you never know. National Park में tiger दिखे ना दिखे बाजू के building में कभी-कभी आ जाता है. So can't say.
Yeah, that's fair. What about you?
But
Sumit?
no, but
Something you like to
talking
do?
about drains and Kaneri Caves, when it rains, I mean, एक हफ्ते के लिए बहुत जोर की बारिश हुई रहेगी ना, and then you go to Kaneri Caves, there is this waterfall, okay, and then there are rocks. You can just sit on the rocks, let the water, fall on your back. It's like a very nice massage, and the cool, thanda pani just feels too good. You should do it once.
That
So-
sounds so enticing for sure. I will
Yes,
try and
those
do
are the
this as soon as I
things to
can.
do.
But are we still allowed to do this even if the lockdowns are going down? Is it still open to do all this?
I'm not sure. अब भी खुला है, but maybe if it opens in August or September, you can try. But even in National Park is most crowded during the rains, and there are times when we've been stuck in that bus for 2 hours because two buses cannot pass at the same time. There are
Okay.
only specific places जहाँ पे उतनी जगह है कि 2 बस ऐसे cross करके आ सके, and people just
Oh.
come in cars and bikes and in too much. There's too much of crowd sometimes. But yeah, I mean, it's fun.
I would
It's fun to go in the
suggest
rains.
to go to take a cycle actually from the entry gate. You get a
Yep.
cycle. I got that BMX wala cycle that time, so that was very cool. And that time I just like.
And how is the terrain though? Is it?
It's very
like proper
very
roads?
very easy, bro.
It's
Very
easy.
easy.
Only
It's
the
like
last
normal.
आधा kilometer is not cyclable.
हाँ,
Maybe.
थोड़ा
I mean,
सा
that
मतलब
slope is a
kind of
little too
steep.
much.
हाँ,
Yeah, if you have a basic
there's
cycle,
a
you won't be
steep-
able to go.
Okay, so you both are recommending to go to the national park during the monsoons and have a good ride around. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay, nice, very cool. Thank you so much, Lasmi. Sumit, what about you? Anything particular you like to do in the rains?
So my favorite part of rain, like that I do with every monsoon. So recently I've been to I go to treks whenever the monsoon is there. I go to
Yeah.
some of the few trek around. So there's a place near my hometown. So I went there, just had a good hike, a day hike it was. Basically I went there up. And then I put up the tent and everything over there. And in the night it was raining as well, but I had the tent, and so everything was like proper. I cooked the food, sat there, like listened to the particular proper music, ate my food, chilled, and after a while, in this mountain region, you get to see the I don't know what it's called, but it's called dhund. Like the smog is there, the fog is there, kind of thing.
Fog, not
Hmm,
fog.
yeah.
I mean, in the mountains, it's fog.
Yeah. It's like the foggy. It looks so beautiful. So that I love the most about the
Hmm.
monsoon part.
Okay, very cool. Something that I am a huge fan of doing, and I, except for this 1 year that somehow I've not been able to do this, I've been doing this every single year for the last 10-15 years that I've lived in Powai, is every monsoon with my friends, we will go and chill for hours at Powai Lake and just sit
Oh,
there dude,
nice.
and just chill and have a good time. I imagine both of you staying in Bombay have been to Powai Lake at some point.
Yeah. I've been to.
Yep.
I've been to.
Yep. Yes.
Yep. Beautiful place. If you guys don't know, there are crocodiles in the lake, by the way. They say.
Yeah.
There are about 35 crocodiles. There is a famous video on YouTube of this crocodile just chilling. So there is this tree in the bank center of the lake, okay, which is just protruding from the center of the lake. And when the waters are shallow, there is a small piece of island that forms around the tree when the waters are shallow. Okay, so there is a famous video of on YouTube of a crocodile on that small patch of land on this next to this tree, just sunbathing at like whatever 12, 2 in the afternoon, just having a good time. And it's huge, dude. It's a huge crocodile. It's amazing. But yeah, I've never seen a crocodile at Powai Lake, but it's a beautiful place to just go and hang around. There are a lot of like street vendors around normally, where you get like you can have like good fruits like pineapples and all, cut pineapples and chaat or whatever you want, and all of that is great in the monsoons. So that's one of my most favorite things to do in the monsoons, is just hang around with friends at Powai Lake. Powai Lake, if you guys don't know, has this long beautiful promenade that they've made now along the lake, which is very cool to be at. So that's yeah. What about something to eat? What is something that you like to eat?
Bhajiye.
Bhajiye! Of course.
Chai and bhajiye, bro.
Dude, pakode, of course, dude. What's the difference between bhajiye and pakoda?
I don't know. I just realized this same
Yeah.
thing over
Exactly.
this episode. What
So-
is difference?
What I think it is pakodas have more besan base.
I know.
There is more
Yeah,
besan
yeah.
in the pakodas, and bhajia are more bare
vegetable.
bones. Yeah, more vegetable, exactly. So that's what I just made it up. So that's what my assumption is.
Yeah, I think I also feel the same way.
I imagine pakoda as a stuffed buffy aloo ka, this thing with full besan, and then there is a bhajia of kanda, like
Haan.
it's just sukda hua, very thin and very kuposhit, you
Yeah.
can say.
Yeah. Okay.
Bullshit.
What is your favorite pakodas or favorite bhajia? Kanda bhajia, batata bhajia, paneer pakoda.
Kanda
Kanda
bhaji.
bhajia, bro. Paneer pakoda,
Kanda bhajia?
I hardly
Oh.
had.
Kanda
I like
bhaji.
batata bhajia more than kanda bhajia.
Batata bhajia is like forever
Yeah.
good.
But the advantage for kanda bhajia is that kanda bhajia stays crispy even when it's cold, and batata bhajia does not. So that's an advantage of kanda.
and plus,
For our non-Maharashtrian listeners, kanda is pyaz,
onion.
and batata
onion,
is
pyaz.
aloo.
Potato.
Yes. Yeah. I'm sure everyone knows now at this point. A few years, like 10, 15 years back, it
Yeah,
used to be a
yeah.
big thing. But now everyone knows kanda and batata.
Yeah.
So yeah, okay, something to eat. Now you said pakodas. Jalasmi, what about you? Pakodas is definitely on everyone's list.
Same. I think
Pakoda is
even vada
Vada pav is
pav.
great. So most fried things, I
Dude,
would say.
also one more thing is there. That bhutta, maize.
Oh,
corn.
dude, that's such a great. Yeah,
Ah,
great. You're
dude.
right. Absolutely.
That the with the full masala and everything,
Yeah.
Nibu masala and mirchi masala. Oh shit, dude, I'm hungry now.
So you guys, chai in the rains or coffee in the rains?
Chai.
Chai,
Chai.
dude.
Chai.
Dude.
Chai has its
Yeah.
own feel, dude.
Yeah, man, absolutely. Very true. Do you guys have particular spots in Bombay where you will swear you get the best chai? Is there like a place like that in Bombay for you?
I think I have near the Borivali National Park only.
Hmm.
It's in the lane. It's in the
Really? Wow.
the station lane.
Okay.
I there's a chai wala I remember when I used to stay there.
Okay.
It serves a good chai, and I had it in
I-
like most of the monsoon time, so
Okay.
it tastes pretty good.
So if I can recommend a roadside chai wala, there is one guy in Juhu, very near my college, about 2-3 minutes, 5 minutes away from my college, and it's next to Seven Hills. I went
Which
to Kamla
college?
Raheja in Juhu. Kamla Raheja college.
Hey,
for
I
architecture in
went to
Juhu.
LS Raheja,
What are you saying? You went to LS Raheja?
Yeah.
What do you study there, dude?
BMM, Bachelor's
Oh,
in Mass
wow.
Media.
Oh wow, dude! How old are you? If I can ask you.
26.
Oh, okay. Do you know someone called Lohita Turlapati?
No. Two
Okay,
different
sorry,
names.
sorry, guys, sorry, listeners. This is a phone call.
Nice Orkhan thing
Yes,
happening.
correct. Anyway. So I went to Kamla Raheja in Juhu, and very next to our college, very near our college, there is a restaurant called Seven Hills Restaurant. Not Seven Hills Hospital, okay, restaurant. And just outside the restaurant, there is a thela with pan tapri and a chai wala. And the chai wala has, dude, the craziest, most awesome chai. It is the best in my opinion. But again, that's my opinion, and that's how many vendors have I tried? Like maybe like 20 in my life, and from those 20, this is the guy is the best. Yep, that's for me. What do I like to eat? Chai is great. Pakoras are great. Vada pav is okay. I love samosas. Samosas, like a good hot samosa. With you don't like samosas, Jalasmi?
No, I don't.
Dude,
I mean, if they have
no,
coriander,
so Jalasmi, I think you and I are a great equalizer because I don't like vada pavs and you don't like samosas, so we have it all covered. We just need someone who doesn't like
I am
bhajiyas now.
Sadaf and you are Archit.
Oh, really? Are they also the same?
Yeah, they are the same. Sadaf loves vada pav, Archit hates vada pav.
Oh, wow. I did not know that. Oh, that's awesome, man. Sadaf
No,
and
no.
Archit are the hosts of Naan Curry, one of our shows that
Yes.
Jalasmi produces. Yes. Sorry, Jalasmi.
Yeah,
you're saying?
no, the reason why I don't like samosa is because the full coriander seeds are present and I just can't take the taste of them. So I just avoid samosas altogether. And
But
God
that is
forbid, if
particular
somebody
places.
puts
Not
it
all
in vada
places.
pav, I will take their case.
So,
But some places people put coriander seeds in that.
Yeah, no,
in
so
some
I
vada
people
pav.
asked
don't.
them.
Some people have it. So, see, there are different ways to put coriander seeds. Right? Some people put whole seeds, like as Jalasmi said. Some people
Yeah,
crush it and put them, and you'll never see them in the samosa.
Crushing is
So that
fine,
could be another.
understandable.
That
But
could be
whole
fine.
seeds, if they, it's like elaichi in biryani.
Ah.
If you just
Yeah.
accidentally bite on them, your entire like taste is ruined. It's just that for me. So I can't take samosas. Sorry.
Yep, that's fair, dude. No worries. I'm not offended. No worry. Tell that to my kapriwala. Like, you don't like my samosa? So yeah, but again, like I really like samosas. Okay, okay, this is such a side note. I'm so sorry. This is not even monsoon related. Do you prefer these three things, bhajia, samosa, and vada? Do you prefer these with pav or without pav?
No, without pav, bro. I'm
Without
not
pav?
from
Vada with pav.
Mumbai.
Okay.
Only
Vada with
pav, she said.
only vada with pav is good.
Hmm.
The rest
Okay.
of the things like bhajia and samosa doesn't go with pav, I
No.
feel.
Oh, okay, fair enough. If I'm having batata bhajia, I'll only have it with pav.
Okay. Like
And samosa, I'll only have without pav. And vada pav, I'll never have only. I'm just saying, sorry. Okay, awesome. I think we've covered that. What about something you guys like listening to in the rains? If I can start this one. Whenever I think of the rains, two songs immediately pop in my head, which I will like very often just go back to them. One is कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है
Aha.
बारिश होती है
Chamak, chamak, cham, cham.
चमक चमक yeah.
Chak
So that's
dum
Dil To Pagal
dum,
Hai.
chak dum dum. Yeah.
Yes, yeah, love that song. And another one is that's one Dil To Pagal Hai. And another one is from Chameli, the song बहता है मन कहीं
Yep.
कहाँ जानते नहीं. Just love that song.
For me,
yep.
for me, the monsoon song would be this Iktara song from Wake Up Sid.
Yep.
That is a kick-ass song.
गूंजा सा है कोई
That is
इतना.
the full vibe is like that. And there's another song I don't remember.
At first, I thought you were gonna say Swades ka ye tara wo tara. Okay, yeah, go ahead. Sorry. It's like-
So yeah, only this one I'm remembering now.
Okay.
other one तो फिर तो बहुत सारे सॉन्ग है यार. Like
It's the बहुत,
there
of
is
course, yes.
हाँ मतलब full Bollywood है उसमें बारिश.
Yeah, correct.
Hey,
There was
even
a
one
song from
even
Kalyug also, no? Which is that song? Tujhe dekh.
Jiya Dhadak
Hmm.
Dhadak.
Not that one. There is. Okay, yeah, that's a good song. But I don't remember if it's. I'm kind of having a visual of them being in the rain during that song. Am I wrong?
But
Yeah,
that-
yeah, that's Jia Dhadak Dhadak. He's
Yeah,
right.
Yeah,
that's
correct.
Jiya,
Cool.
Jiya Dhadak Dhadak only. The one also, the second one is from Hum Tum picture. You remember that song?
Oh, the title song.
Yeah,
I was
the-
just about to say.
Hum.
आँखों
Yeah,
को आँखों से मिलने दो रे
Yeah.
जरा.
There are two title tracks on the movie, by the way. Just so you know.
Yeah,
Ah.
no, the one in the
Romantic
movie,
one.
not the
Yeah,
one in
romantic
the
one.
One of the
credits.
credits. Okay, cool.
But the one in the credits is also very cool, just by the
Yeah,
way.
yeah. Da-na-na, hum tum. Yeah, okay. Sorry for my sound effects. Jalasmi, what about you?
I don't have like a monsoon playlist, but I have a very July, August kind of playlist. So there is one song called Maloom from Lekar Hum Dewana Din. It's it's like
Uh-huh.
a flop movie,
I know
but
the- I
yeah,
know-
Rahman
I know, but-
music.
I know the title track. Is it the same? Lekar hum Deewana Dil. Oh, I'm talking about the
That's
old.
a
sorry.
movie.
No.
That's a
That's a-
movie
Oh,
name.
this is a
dude.
song. Oh, okay, that's a movie name.
It's Ranbir Kapoor's cousin, Arman Jain, and Diksha is the
Wait,
actress.
Ranbir
Yeah,
Kapoor has
yeah.
a cousin named Arman Jain.
Exactly.
Yeah.
What?
Yes.
And that too, Jain Kapoor.
Yeah,
with
did
Jain.
you make that up?
Arey, no, you can
Dude,
go
so
and
that
check.
means they are Punjabi Jains. Punjabi Jains. That's
Yeah.
such a missed opportunity, dude. Being a Punjabi Jain. There's all this awesome food you have that you can't eat now because you're a Jain. Damn it.
So basically, the song is called Malu. It's sung by Jonita Gandhi. It's a very cute song. I mean, whenever it rains, that is the mood I have. So I listen to that song. And there is, of course, Hum Tumka title track. And there is this Daru Desi. I don't know. I just like to listen to that song when it rains.
Daru desi.
Chadi mujhe yaar teeri aisi, daru desi.
Yeah, nice.
Nice.
Cool. This is such a musical episode. I like this. Just break into songs every two sentences. Yeah.
So sound effect wala, bro.
Yeah, correct. Nice. So that's so we've all mentioned what we like to do, like to eat, and we like to listen to in the rains. What comes to mind? What do you think of Bollywood depictions otherwise of the monsoons?
I
Do you
have
think they
something
usually
to
do a good job? Or they yes, please, Rasmi, go ahead.
I have something to say. I think Bollywood, if you see most of the songs that are made in Bollywood and
Mhm.
the depiction of the women in those songs,
Mhm.
either she's wearing white or she's wearing a sari.
And
And this bhigi sari trope is just everywhere. And I mean, I'm not even complaining. I'm just saying that they
yeah,
just
don't
use
complain
it
about
everywhere.
that, dude. What are you saying? That's
You
something to complain
are
about. Dude, I just remember,
Yeah,
how did
I
we not
mean-
talk about Tip Tip Barsa Pani? That is the most
Exactly.
famous monsoon song ever, right?
Yes,
That's crazy. Yeah, yeah.
absolutely.
That's the famous yellow sari. Yeah, correct. Yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely.
no, there are so
Yeah.
many. There is Zubi Dubi, just make Kareena is wearing that
Oh yes,
orange sari.
correct.
There
Yeah.
is, of course, the one you mentioned, Bhage Reman with Kareena in that Chameli movie. There is Kuch Kuch Hota Hai mein. You remember that scene towards the end where, you know,
Yes, where
Shah
they
Rukh Khan
dance,
is-
the silent dance.
yeah,
Yeah.
the air piano. Yes.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
there is
correct,
that red sari.
Yeah.
Then Hum Tum mein also Rani Mukherjee is wearing a blue sari. Then there is Tip Tip Barsa Pani. There is this Amitabh Bachchan and I think Smita Patil song called Aaj Rapat Jaye.
Yeah.
So where again, you know, that song. There is
Shri
this
420 song. Bhigi.
काटे नहीं कटते
No. That एक लड़की भीगी भागी से.
हाँ, yes, even that
Mm-hmm.
one. So I think this trope is just, this is how Bollywood wants to do rain dance and
Yep.
stuff like that. Even in even white color is explored very much. Even the chum 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 song, she's wearing white. I mean, I don't know what's the obsession. Obviously, yeah, we know, but I mean, just wanted to mention
So
that.
in comparison, you're right, dude. In comparison, I can't think of as many Hollywood films that I've seen which romanticize the rains as much. Of course,
No.
very famously, there is a very famous Hollywood movie called "I'm Singing in the Rain." Is that the movie or is that the song? But I think the movie is called "Singing in the Rain," and a very famous song from the movie is it's one of those musicals. And a famous song from the movie is "I'm singing in the rain." I'm singing in the rain, such a glorious day. It's a beautiful, beautiful song. Please go and check it out. But that's the only big one that I can remember about the rains. really.
Hollywood doesn't romanticize rain. I think they romanticize snowfall maybe, because वहाँ पे बारिश का इतना नहीं है. वहाँ पे snowfall का थोड़ा ज्यादा होगा.
Yeah,
Maybe.
you could be
That's
right.
what I'm
They are not
assuming.
they are
There,
not
because also over
complaining.
there, snow is equated to the coming of Christmas. So that's like holiday season. So I think a lot of that also comes into play. Sorry, Sumit, you were saying?
I was saying they are not complaining about the kichad na.
Dude,
Yeah.
it's not even funny. It's not even funny, okay? Like, because I remember going to Europe and it just randomly started raining in London when we were in London, okay? Because in
Yeah.
London it happens. It'll just randomly rain, okay?
London
And
is like
if-
Bangalore.
Exactly.
What?
So,
Yeah,
So
yeah,
if
no,
we
even
were
in
in
Bangalore,
Bombay-
it just rains randomly.
Yeah.
After 2 o'clock, you cannot predict.
So if you're in Bombay and it rains, even for like say like 10, 15 minutes, right? You will be dirty almost immediately. Okay, like your shoes will become dirty. There'll be like kitchen on the back of your pants or whatever you're wearing. You know, in London, nothing, dude. Sab saaf hai. All their roads are clean. There's no kitchen bouncing up in the back of my pants. It's all happy, dude. It's all good.
Wow.
which is very sad because I do want to enjoy the rains more. Like just I want to be able to just go walking around and not have. Basically, I want to be able to go out into the rains and then not have to come back and have a bath immediately. You know, that's something I would like to do at some point. But let's see what let's think of other Bollywood tropes which concern
No, I
the
think
monsoons.
two main Bollywood tropes are, one is extreme romance, मतलब प्यार होगा और बारिश होगी, and one
हाँ.
is extreme heartbreak, दिल टूटा और बारिश हो गई.
हाँ,
It's
or
like the
someone
clouds
dies,
are-
a funeral in the rain. You know, one of those.
Yeah, even that is,
even like joy rain भी तो है, मतलब वो ऐसा चक दुम दुम वाला.
Correct. It's very happy.
वो भी, it's
Yeah.
also romantic only. You must have not noticed
The
Shah Rukh Khan and
subtleties.
Madhuri.
Yeah, there's also a leg break. So that maybe there's a broken leg in that song.
Yeah,
Karishma
Karishma Kapoor has a.
Yeah, so they're talking about recovery. So it's a song of recovery, guys. No, I'm just,
healing,
just again.
healing.
Yes, correct. So whatever.
So, but this iconic scene, you remember, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, where, you know, Shah Rukh Khan goes to Kajol and he's like, you know, I want to confess. And Kajol thinks, oh, ये तो मुझे बोल रहा है. But then he's like, मैं बोल दूँ जाके टीना को. And oh God, that
हाँ.
poor thing. Her face, she feels so bad and suddenly starts raining. And
Yeah.
that song comes, तुझे याद
Now-
ना मेरी आई. Shit, that was just, उस time तक, for that time, it was epic. अभी तो ठीक
Yeah.
है.
अभी अगर वो सीन देखता हूँ ना मैं, तो every time this happens ना, the meme music comes to my head.
What is the meme music? Oh no, that one. That one?
any there's another
Oh, no.
that one.
Yeah. Even
Um,
that Dil Wale Puch Dene Cha wala music might also come to
वाले
there.
पूछ देने चाह.
Oh, and that's just yeah.
I hate these reels ruining songs, yeah.
Dude, of
चलो
course,
ऐसे
man.
time pass गाने ruin
Yeah.
करो, ठीक है, but
Yeah.
you know, please don't touch the nicer ones.
Yeah, very true. The famous, if you can talk about some of these songs in more detail, you're right, Jarasini, we totally skipped over Zubi Dubi from Three Idiots, which is a beautiful rain song. That's a very well picturized rain song because it's all on a set and they have artificial rain, I imagine. So
Yeah.
yeah, really beautiful. And I love that movie also. So I think it goes really well. And it's like a dream sequence where he's imagining himself and his pursuit of Kareena Kapoor's character.
Yeah. No, but
Uh,
in the same movie, if you notice, rain is used in that end wala scene where Amir Khan delivers that child. Because it's
Oh, yes,
flooding,
you're right.
Kareena Kapoor has to, you know,
Correct.
instruct him via some video conferencing, and he just makes
Yep.
something out of a photography equipment, that suction cup, and oh God, epic scene.
Oh, dude, I just remembered from flooding. Isn't there what was the 2611? Is that the cloudburst
No,
date in Bombay? What is this 26?
Not 2611, it's 26
26/7.
July.
26/7.
20
26/7.
26
26/7.
July. Yeah.
So 26/7 is when the big cloudburst happened, and there is a movie starring
Tum
Soha Ali
Mile.
Khan and
Tum Mile.
and Imran Hashmi about
Yeah.
these the cloudburst and how people helped each other and all.
No, but I'd
Uh,
rather you watch the Nat Geo documentary than watch Tum Mile to
Of
know
course,
about
dude,
that
I'm not gonna watch
cloudburst,
Tum Mile.
because it again they've
Talking about
romanticized
Bollywood.
a
Yes.
cloudburst. No, don't do that. It was a very
Yeah,
bad
I
day.
mean, people are dying around you, and they're like, "Hey, we're happy."
तुम मिले तो मिल गया जहाँ तुम मिले.
मिले. Yes, तो सब कुछ. Okay, so that's this. That's Three Idiots we talked about. Tip Tip Barsa Pani, the Akshay Kumar, Ravina Tandon. I think that started the. I could be wrong. But that definitely highly sexualized the rains
Yes.
and saris
Too
for
much.
sure.
Yes.
For a
Right.
generation, for our entire generation.
Too
They
much.
are
I
not
was, oh
wrong.
god. Yeah,
They're
I,
not
know, I
wrong.
can say. I think yeah. I think I
बारिश
say
में
that.
ऐसे feelings आती है. It's very normal. I
Yeah, what are you
guess.
gonna do? Correct. Just you don't want to be alone in the rains. I mean,
Yep.
yeah. If you're a wet in the rains, you want someone to admire. No, like, अरे वाह, क्या लग रहे हो? Nice.
और automatically नहीं होना.
Correct. So, but yeah, dude, like Ravina Tandon looks amazing in that, and the song, like as a song, for what it's intended for, it still kind of holds up for me.
I have
So,
also one more
yes.
epic like monsoon scene. You remember
Hello?
the end of Lagan?
Oh yes.
Oh yeah, बारिश हो जाती है suddenly. Yeah, correct. So Bollywood. यार तुम लोग जीत गए. बारिश की क्या जरूरत है?
Ghana,
Bro, जीत गए already.
Ghana.
Oh wow, that entire song in the raw and the rains do not come. What a
Ekdam.
tease the rains are.
Yeah.
And
No, but
3 साल
they
से बारिश नहीं हुआ था.
lyrics देखो ना तुम, काले मेघा पानी तो
बारी
बरसाओ.
तो
I mean they're just
बरसाओ.
requesting and
Yeah.
I mean
Yeah.
just
It's a-
music
it's-
का कुछ है
It's,
connection.
it's prayer.
Yeah.
It's prayer for them, to be honest.
Yeah,
सब
yeah.
मंगा रहे हैं.
Yeah, correct. ये पूरा गाना they wasted on the monsoon. फिर बारिश हुई नहीं. वो so anticlimactic.
No, अरे हुई ना. फिर end में जब वो
End में हुई ना,
जाते
वही तो हाँ.
हाँ,
That's
जाते
exactly the
रहे-
poetic. No, that's the poetic
The
part of it.
poetic,
Correct,
yes.
correct.
Yeah, correct. Of
Yeah,
course.
but there's
Yeah.
also this Rag Malhar which is dedicated to monsoon. I mean, I'm yet to learn it, but there is.
Yeah.
They say that when Tansen would sing Rag Malhar in Akbar's court, it would actually rain.
Oh yes, rain. And he used to be able to light diyas or something. Was also another.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Was that
that
another thing
was
about Tansen?
that was another rag.
Hmm.
I'm just gonna look up songs about the rain in Bollywood.
No, I want to talk
bolo.
about one song which is like, I don't know, I think it talks about, it describes Bombay rain, okay? If you've seen this, idhar chala main udhar chala,
Udhar chala.
जाने कहाँ मैं किधर चला, फिसल गया.
But
I
that was
think that-
that was in Kasol, na.
That
Kasoli.
was in, yeah, that was in Kasali, but it describes Bombay rains very well.
Oh,
You
yeah,
know,
yeah.
you're just like so disoriented कि भाई मैं घर जा रही हूँ बस, forget everything. But you know, people hang out in that Virar trains even बारिश में. I'm like, वो एक तो ट्रेन जा रही है, ऊपर से बारिश हो रही है, तुम बाहर लटक भी रहे हो. Brave hearts, सच में.
Dude, is there a song from Gulam? The Amir Khan
अरे,
movie?
Yeah. आंखों से तू
आंखों से तूने ये क्या कह दिया? Again, that's a
That
great
was a
song,
good
dude.
song, dude.
And great movie also. I love that
Ah.
movie, man, so much. So yeah, it's a good song. Another one is from Guru. Is
Ah.
Barso
बरसों
Re
रे
Megha
मेघा
Megha.
मेघा.
Yep, again, I love that song. Aishwarya Rai, a great song. Also, if I'm not wrong, isn't the Adnan Sami song Bhigi Bhigi Raaton Mein?
That was also on Barish.
That wasn't it? Is it? It's on
Yeah,
Barish, right?
it is.
Yeah. Just you look confused.
A
Have you not heard that
lonely,
song?
lonely call.
No, I'm just trying to think कि मैंने, I
You
mean, I don't
remember the
remember
song?
the video, but yeah, भीगी भीगी रातों
हाँ.
में, मतलब it must mean that only, बारिश only, so yeah.
And also, Wo Lamhe is not shot in the rain, is it? Wo Lamhe.
No.
Is it in the rain?
No.
Yeah,
It's not.
correct.
It's not.
Correct.
There is a Life in a Metro. I think there are few songs. Have you seen
Yeah,
it?
Life in a Metro has quite some good barish scenes also.
Okay. So you
I
know
think you're
what's
talking
funny? I'm
about
looking up a
Indino.
list right now of.
Yeah. Indino. Correct.
I'm looking up a list right now of songs about the rain in Bollywood. Songs shot in the rain in Bollywood, and the list somehow starts with Tip Tip Barsa Pani, which is fair. It's a song from Mohra, and the list ends with Tip Tip Barsa Pani from Mohra. So the start
Now,
and the finish.
For them, it's the
yeah,
best.
That's very poetic. This is the start and end. It ends at Tip Tip Barsa Pani. That's basically it. So I think we have covered almost most of it. I'm sure we have missed quite a few songs.
Ashiki too, dude. The Tum Hi Ho. Yeah, Tum Hi Ho, or is it another song that
तुम ही हो.
Ashiki too?
Yeah,
the
no.
Adit.
Which one?
Adit-
Tum
ही
हो,
hi
where, you know,
ho.
बारिश
No,
में
no,
भीग
no.
रहे हैं and वो jacket वाला
that's-
scene.
That's from Kismet Connection. Sorry,
That one.
I think I'm thinking of the wrong song.
मेरी
yeah.
आशिकी अब तुम ही हो is the song that you are looking for.
Correct. Exactly.
Meri
exactly.
Yeah.
aashiki. Oh, yeah, cool. Got it.
But
so I think
there's
we've covered
one
everything.
song we spoke about Iktara and Wake Up Set, but end में there is a song called Boondon Ke Moti.
Oh yeah,
which
yeah.
I really don't know why it is not a part of the main soundtrack.
It
but
has to be dude.
Beautiful song.
And there's a clip on
The
YouTube
most
where you get that
beautiful
song.
tag.
I used to listen to it earlier. There's a clip
Yeah,
on
YouTube
YouTube.
पे ही सुनने मिलता है. I
हाँ.
mean, you don't get it on your Spotify, JioSaavn and stuff like that. But yeah, that's a very beautiful track.
Okay, nice. Are there things
And
where
that climax scene is also very nice. It's based on rains. I mean, they talk about Bombay ki barish in the entire movie, and then finally, you know, the climax happens and it rains, and yeah, I think Wake Up Sid is a good Bollywood movie which has rain as a character.
Because it is a good movie, regardless. Yeah, true, very true. Are there we can end this segment with this? Are there things about the monsoons or about the rains that you have changed your mind about over the years? So for me, for instance, I used to, when I was younger, my brother, for instance, does not enjoy the rains at all. Okay, so when I was younger, I used to be like him because my brother likes something, so I also do the same thing. I used to be very anti rains, where I would again, kichad to everyone hates, but I would hate getting wet in the rain also. And now I have made a complete change where if I'm just going down in my building, I will never carry the umbrella. Especially if it's raining really, really badly and I know I'll get wet, I'll never carry the umbrella because I want to I like getting wet in the rain now. So are there things about the rains maybe that you have changed your mind about?
Not exactly, but I started to enjoy more, to be honest. Like the
as you've gotten older, you enjoy the rains more.
yeah, exactly. In earlier my childhood mein, I used to just play football all the time. Like whenever it rains, all the colony boys used to come at my place, and then we used to go to the nearby ground and then set up a goal post and then start play football. That was my whole monsoon ka memory. But now it has become a vast variety of things I can do in the monsoon. So that has changed for me.
Okay, cool. Anything that comes to mind for you, Jalasmi?
I mean, I used to enjoy getting drenched in the rain before, but now I feel like it's too much of an inconvenience.
Oh,
so I rather stay at home. I don't
this
know.
is like
it
our
could be
vada
a
pav moment.
lockdown. Yeah.
The complete opposite, Jalasmi. Okay, that's totally fair, dude. I get that. That's it feels like too much work now. Getting wet in the rain,
Yes.
coming back, having to dry off, or even go for a shower or whatever.
Yes.
So I get that. That's fair. Cool.
And I think the quality of, pehle it wasn't that polluted. So it used to rain and it would be okay. But now you have to ensure that you take a bath because otherwise, your skin doesn't, it
Correct.
reacts.
Your skin goes bad.
basically.
So apparently you can have hair fall and all because they say this, right? Like the first couple of showers that happen in the monsoons, don't get wet in those showers because those are the most polluted. Because in the air, whatever pollution is there in the air, that is being condensed in the rain in the first few showers. And that's where acid rain comes from. That's what acid rain is when we studied acid rain in schools. But yeah, okay. That's brings us to the end. In general, I want to say that monsoons are for all of us, for at least the three of us, a good time for the most part. At least from afar. And up close, that's up to you, your individual take on how you like the monsoons or not. But let us know what you guys like to eat
I have one
or
more
drink.
thing. I have one more thing to
Yes,
say.
tell me.
Don't you feel that when it rains, you begin to, I don't know if it's true about everybody, but your emotions are a little stronger. I mean, in summer, you're like, haan, theek hai, chalo, whatever. But in rains, you feel things a little more strongly. Or maybe it could be just me. I don't know. Even
I
there
kind
are,
of know what you mean. I think I kind of agree with you because I know what you mean. Like if you are feeling happy, watching the rain makes you happier. If you are kind of like feeling lonely or feeling sad, it makes you like just that much more alone.
yeah, it just gets a little more
So
heavier,
rains could
I
be happy.
guess.
Yeah.
Emotional,
And,
more emotional.
Yeah,
Rains
and
are
I think there
emotional.
is something about this gloomy weather being associated to feeling anxious. I mean, this is, I have heard from a lot of my friends. So if you're listening, I
Yeah.
think this could be normal. And I think we acknowledge.
It's fine.
that ऐसा होता है.
Have a chai. It's fine. Have a
High
chai.
five.
Yeah.
Yep. Have a chai.
Why? Not why. Sorry, I was just trying to rhyme.
Oh,
We didn't go. I was going to say why not, and then. But anyway, guys, please let us know what you guys like to do in the rains. Like maybe you guys, I don't know, like to go around naked in the rains, which is all more power to you, man. Go ahead, go do that. Dude, one of my favorite things is every monsoon there'll be footage of some or the other person trying to teach the BMC a lesson, right? By swimming in the puddles. And they'll like post about it. Like, "Arey, BMC kuch kaam nahi karti." Dude, you're the one swimming. Nobody's telling you to swim. You can just go home.
Wait, is he naked?
Yeah. No, I guess not. He might as well could be, but I can only see his above the neck. So I'm not sure. Have you guys ever gotten caught in like crazy rain traffic or something? Or like
Yeah,
or had
yeah,
an accident in the rain or something like that?
yeah. I had both.
Yeah?
Had both. One in
Correct.
Mumbai, one in my hometown, Nagpur.
You had an accident in the rain?
Yeah. अरे
So-
bro, full मतलब skidward हो गया था एकदम, गाड़ी अलग मैं अलग ऐसा.
What? You were on a bike and you had a
Yeah,
bike
yeah.
accident?
हाँ.
Oh, god damn, dude. Damn.
And
I remember once in the
too
rain.
because of
हाँ, बोल, बोल.
puppy. Because of a puppy, it came from nowhere. I was like on like a bit faster,
Hmm.
and then I saw this puppy, and I just like pulled a brake.
Hmm.
So
And
it was
it
a disc
skid-
brake.
and-
So
And
it just like
oh
fell.
damn, dude. Damn, what a pain. I remember once for me, I was in a rickshaw and the rickshaw we're going and the rickshaw hits a puddle. Okay. Now see the tire of the rickshaw, if this is the front tire of the rickshaw, right? This is it's like this. Immediately it hit the puddle and the tire became like this. It just became flat, the
What?
tire. It like it lay down, it gave up. The tire was like, अरे आप मैं नहीं काम कर रहा हूँ क्या बार-बार puddle से you keep
Magic.
hit puddles.
मैं जी लिया अपनी जिंदगी.
Yeah, really अपनी जिंदगी, exactly. So then I had to walk the rest of the way home because I don't know if you guys remember this a few years back. It used to be really difficult to get rickshaws in the rains to just go short
Oh,
distances.
yes.
Like somehow it has become better in recent times because
Isn't that the always?
I think it has become a little better now because people are aware that there are Ubers. So instead अगर उनको धंधा नहीं देंगे, then we'll give the धंधा to Uber, you know.
Yeah.
So I don't think rickshaw people want that. So or want it less at least.
Correct.
So I think in my experience it's become a little better, but maybe it's not for you guys. So let us know about that also. But also
But
please
I think there's
let us
also
know. Okay,
one
yes.
thing: if it rains, it rains too much, and you have to stay back in office. I think those days are also fun, huh? I mean, I've had those days where you had to stay back in
I
office.
mean, it has been 2 years for that since that happened.
Yeah.
though.
I mean,
So,
yeah,
I know what you're
just
talking about.
But yeah, it used to be fun. I mean, I was stuck. I remember I was in, I think, Radio City, and it had rained a
Mhm.
lot that day. So some people who lived close by, they just went, and half of us just stayed back, and it was
Man,
fun.
how did we not talk about this? We are idiots. How did we not talk about our favorite thing in the monsoons being school getting cancelled
Oh yes.
because of the monsoons?
Come on, dude.
Now, Jalasmi, were you one of those, or were you the ones who went to school?
I
Even
went to
though-
school. I was a
Man,
nerd.
You,
I went to
you
college
are the
also.
problem. You know, there's
First-
always one person who'll attend a mass bunk. Like
yeah.
everyone decides mass bunk karte, mass bunk karte.
Shame.
And there's this one person who shows up, and
Shame.
everyone hates that person for showing up.
Shame.
Yeah. Wow, Jalasmi, shame, dude. Shame.
Yeah. Even
shame,
Mitibai
exactly.
I used to catch the 6 a.m. train बारिश में भी सुबह इतनी बारिश में भी 5:30 I used to leave half an hour early to catch
But
the
what if-
rickshaw and go to station, but never
What if
missed
the trains are
college.
cancelled that day? What if the trains are cancelled that day?
सुबह 6
भाग
बजे
के
नहीं
जाती
होती है
थी।
ना 11 बजे 11:30 के बाद होता था
Oh.
usually. So 6 o'clock तो returning used to be a problem. I'm like चलो 11 बज गए ना, what do I do? Because Mitibai के तो
हाँ,
बाहर it used to be like, you know, we
Man.
are an island and बाहर पानी.
Ah.
But yeah, those are
I
the
think
days.
भाग के
We-
जाती थी.
Yeah, we were looking for excuses to just not go to school, dude. What is happening? Shit. Yeah.
The worst part was जब तुम स्कूल या कॉलेज जाते थे और तब जाके कैंसिल होता था. That is the worst part.
I mean, that's
पूरी
not
मेहनत-
that bad. That's still
No,
that's still
because-
fine. No,
because
see, that is still preferable than a full day of school. No, so that's still fine. So you go to school, and then now with your friends, and they tell you school is cancelled. So now you don't have to go back home. Also, you can just go out, go eat, go to a friend's place. You can do anything. So yeah, that's what I remember it being. So that used to be a great thing. But okay, that brings us to the end of the segment. Please let us know what you guys think. What you guys used to do in the rains? Maybe eat, drink, listen to. Yep. And that's it for this half of the episode. See you guys on the other side.
Come learn and experience the ABCDs of being queer with me, Shunetro,
And me, Farhad.
on our show Gay BCD.
The two of us take you through our stories and experiences of being gay men in the city of Mumbai and have candid
And sometimes downright scandalous.
conversations about sexuality, gay culture, and everything in between.
Catch new episodes of Gay BCD every Tuesday on the IVM Podcast website, app, or wherever you get all your podcasts from.
All right. And we're back for the final part of this episode where we give you guys some awesome recommendations as to what we've been recently been checking out or watching or listening to or maybe even reading. Who knows what what we're going to recommend. Only we do. So let's start that off with Sumit. Would you like to go first, man?
Yeah. So I have a monsoon related suggestion. I recently came across this movie called Kaun. Okay, Kaun.
Oh,
Hello.
Hindi.
Yeah, it's a
Hindi
Hindi movie, and it's a Ram Gopal Verma's movie, which has
Oh, wow.
4 characters, and one is Urmila Matondkar, Manoj Bajpayee, and Sushant Singh apparently, and 4th is the Rain. Okay, so
Oh.
it's a kind of a I read the kind of synopsis and looks very interesting. So the longest part of the movie has a the rain is constant throughout the movie. Okay, and it's a basically Urmila Matondkar is alone in her bungalow. Okay, without a phone connection or any electricity, to be honest. And now Manoj Bajpayee is trying to get into the house of that to let him in for shelter, basically.
Okay, wow. So,
So
what?
that
Have you seen the movie or
no.
have you-
I'm just reading the synopsis right now.
Oh,
So I
okay,
was
so this is something you
definitely
may mean to check out.
yeah, mean to check
Oh,
out.
nice.
So definitely check this out because it
How
sounds
old is this movie?
This is 1999.
What? So,
Oh,
but where will you
Yeah,
watch
yeah.
it? Through you'll be watching it through Dubious means, or is it available on an OTT
Yeah,
platform?
maybe dubious means I don't know
Okay.
where to watch. That I have to figure it out. But mostly you'll get everything I think
But
on
cool,
internet.
yeah. If anyone from our listeners has checked out Con already, please let us know how it is.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
whether
yeah.
it's worth Sumit's time or not. This is a reverse recommendation at this point. So I'll throw out a name. You guys tell me whether I should watch it or not. Okay, cool. Thank you. Jalasni, what about you?
So we are talking about rains and May end mein na, I was also waiting for barish ki yaar ye garmi please. I mean, you want that. So I checked out these channels. It's called Bollywood ASMR, but
Okay.
yeah, so they have stuff like it's an audio mix where they say ki
Is it like this? Do they
no,
talk
it's
like
not.
this?
It's not like
They
that.
don't talk like this.
No, they don't talk. It's music. So basically, your music will be mixed in such a way that the title of the movie is It's raining outside, and there are old Bollywood songs playing in the other room. So वो आवाज कैसे लगेगी? How will it sound? It won't sound as clear, but there will be some reverb
So it's
and
like
all the
basically
mix
like
it
very
down.
background mein.
Yeah. But then there is
Oh,
barish ka awaz also mixed, and thoda they'll just add some elements
Haan.
of the house.
Just like
And-
the yeah, I get it. Yeah.
The
Yeah,
ambient
with
setting,
all that.
basically.
Yes. So Bollywood ASMR, I really like those these days. Sometimes it's just nice.
It's a YouTube channel you're saying, no?
Yep.
Dude, it's Anurag Kashyap movie, the one I suggested. Sorry.
Oh, it's not a Ram Gopal Verma.
It's no, it's both of their joint venture kind of thing.
Oh yeah, wow, dude, what a combo.
Wow, then it definitely must be epic.
Yeah. It's a
Yeah,
psychological.
this is probably also before the time Ram Gopal Verma became a punchline, no? Became like before Ram Gopal Verma ki aag, basically. This is, so the good times of Ram Gopal Verma. Okay, coming to my recommendation is, so I don't know if you guys know, are you guys fan of late night talk shows? Are you guys fans of Conan O'Brien?
I watch it, but on random days or on
Okay,
very.
cool. No worries. That's fine. Conan
I
O'Brien
sometimes watch
has been
Little Late with Lily.
Lily Singh. Yeah, okay, she's very nice. So Conan O'Brien has been one of the oldest late night talk show hosts at this point. He's been doing it for I think close to 27, 28 years, I think. Okay. And he's had two different iterations of the show. He was first the host of Late Night with Conan O'Brien. Then he became the host of Tonight Show with Conan O'Brien. And then he left. He had a fight, falling out with NBC, the previous channel he was on, and went on to TBS, the channel he's on right now. And the show he had on TBS was called Conan, just Conan. Okay. And so Conan now is in its last week of airing. Conan O'Brien is not going away. He's a comedic genius. He's a comedy legend in a lot of, and many people consider him to be so. He's not leaving. He is basically going after TBS ends. He's going to TBS. TBS's parent company is HBO. So HBO, or they both have the same owner or something like that. Okay, so they're basically in the same conglomerate of companies. And after leaving TBS, basically his late night talk show is ending, and he will resurface in some way or another on HBO Max. That's what's happening. But the main thing that Conan has been known for the last 12, 13 years has been Conan, and that is ending. So would highly recommend people to go show Conan O'Brien some love and go check out the last few episodes that he does, because all of them are like just top billed guests coming on. Some recurring hilarious bits that I've been doing over the years. One of my favorite bits is Paul Rudd, the actor Paul Rudd. You guys will know he's from Ant-Man and the
Mike.
Wasp movies. Mike from Friends, yes, exactly. Paul Rudd has been coming on Conan for the last 20 years, 25 years, okay? And every time he comes on, no, he comes on to promote something, like some movie he's in, some TV show he's a part of. He's always coming on to promote something, okay? And he at some point in the clip, in his appearance on Conan, he will say, "Okay, let's roll the clip," right? And every time the clip is of this one shitty movie that was shot back in the day. I'll tell you the name of the movie. Mac and Me. Yes, Mac and Me is the name of this movie. There's a very famous scene from this movie, from Mac and Me, where a kid in a wheelchair is rolling down a cliff, and then his thing just goes in. He jumps off the cliff. Okay, he's not able to control his wheelchair. So he jumps off the cliff, lands in the water, and then on the banks of the river, there's like this alien kind of creature that sees him falling into this river. Okay, I've not seen this movie, so my assumption is the alien goes and saves this kid or something, you know. But this is what the clip is that
Jadoo.
Paul Rudd always shows. Exactly, the creature does actually look like a thinner, more malnutrition version of Jadoo. Basically, it's just what it is. Okay, and so for years, every single time the Paul Rudd comes on, he always acts as if he's going to show the clip of the project he's actually promoting. So say he's talking about like Ant-Man and the Wasp, because he's promoting Ant-Man and the Wasp. He'll talk about, so this movie we did this stuff, and whatever, my co-actors were like great. The storyline is this, and Marvel is so good to work with, and the movies are like the scale of the movies are great. So anyway, I've got a clip I would like to show you guys. You guys want to watch the clip, and everyone in the audience claps and all. And then he goes, "Okay, roll the clip," and it's the same Mac and Me clip of this kid rolling down the cliff. Jumping into the river, and it's hilarious. It's become like such a recurring bit that now at this point they have to think of really creative ways of how they will insert the clip. So till date, the 25 years that Paul Rudd has been coming on, been on like so many times, well over 50 times he's been on, I guess. And every time he does this bit, and it's always funny. So go check those out. So yep, I cannot show Conan O'Brien enough love. I absolutely adore the man. I really like his podcast as well. Conan O'Brien Needs a Friend. Guys should be checking that out as well. But we have already recommended that in previous episodes, but we've never recommended his late night talk show. And since it's ending, it's a great time to catch up on older episodes. Quickly, if I can say, another recurring bit is all the Jordan Schlansky bits. Jordan Schlansky is one of the employees on Conan. He's an executive producer on the show. But the thing is, nobody knows what he does on the show, because as you guys will agree, producers do a myriad of tasks that are like all encompassing. So you don't have like one particular thing to do, right? So a running joke has become that whenever Conan asks Jordan Schlansky what his job is on the show, Jordan always has to reply, I do a lot of things on the show. Whatever's required to be done, I do it. And so it's at this point it's become that Conan doesn't know what Jordan does on the show, and has become like a great recurring bit. So yeah, just go check out all these Conan remotes, Conan Without Borders. Great late night talk show, a legend in the medium of late night talk shows, Conan O'Brien. Thank you so much for entertaining us, Conan. And yep, that's my kind of thank you and goodbye to Conan. Please, again, I can't recommend his show enough. Thank you so much. That brings us to the end of this part. Sumit, can you just run us down what you recommended and where people can follow you online?
So I have recommended a movie, a psychological thriller movie called Con by Anurag Kashyap and Ram Gopal Verma.
Yeah.
And people can find it on basically on YouTube and dubious memes.
Yeah.
and people can follow me on Instagram with SUMMITPANDE, Sumit Pandey. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you so
Jasmine,
much.
what about you? What do you recommend, and where can people follow you online if they want to follow you?
Yes, so I recommended Bollywood ASMR. It's a YouTube channel, and it's a great YouTube channel. And all my accounts are private, but you can find me as Hathi Ka Bachcha on Instagram.
All right. I recommended Conan O'Brien's late night talk show, Conan, which is on TBS, and it's in its last week. So please go and check it out. A lot of the clips are on YouTube. You can find them. If you want entire episodes, you can find them on the Conan website itself. So yeah, check that out. And you can follow me, Antariksh, on Instagram at AntarikshT. That brings us to the end of the episode, guys. Thank you so much. This was a lovely episode. See you guys next week. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Whether you're an established sports person or a budding one, or simply a sports enthusiast, join us, Tanvi and Shlok.
We are two passionate pro badminton players talking policy, mindset and everything sport.
So tune in to The Millennial Athlete every Monday.
Only on the IVM Podcast Network.
Trust us, it's gonna be lit.
पेश खिदमत है आपकी शान में हमारे अंजुमन से. Hi, I am Sadaf.
And I'm Arshit. खाने का इतिहास, इकोनॉमिक्स, पॉलिसी, साइकोलॉजी सब है मेन्यू पे.
Only on the Nankali podcast every Wednesday. सिर्फ IVM Podcast ऐप या वेबसाइट पर या फिर जहां से भी आप अपने पॉडकास्ट सुनते हो.